Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Microsoft Teams desk phone. At Valdosta State University, we're updating our phones from Cisco to Microsoft Teams. There are two desk phone models in use: Audiocode C455HD for faculty and staff, and Audiocode C430HD for student employees or the common areas. In this video, we'll be going over how to use the 455 for faculty and staff. We'll cover the basic features of the phone, including how to sign in, make calls, put a call on hold, transfer calls, forward calls, make conference calls, and access the phone settings. How to sign in to your phone. Before using your phone, you'll need to log in with your VSU account. On a separate device, go to Microsoft.com/device login. Enter the code displayed on your phone screen. If the code expires, simply refresh for a new one. Select your Valdosta State account and complete the sign-in process, including the multi-factor authentication if prompted. Your phone will complete the setup and display the home screen. What are soft keys? In this case, the term soft keys refer to the icons on the display screen and not the buttons below the screen, as it does for the C430 student employee and common area phone. The functions of these soft keys change based on the screen you're currently on, with the label changing as necessary. Now, let's go over how to make a phone call. How to make a phone call. To make a call, pick up the headset and key the phone number. The call will automatically dial. You don't need to dial 8 for an outside line, nor use the prefix 1. For long distance calls, include the area code or country code followed by the number. To call a phone contact, press the people icon or the contacts button and select the contact. How to put a call on hold. Press the hold icon or the hold button. Tap the soft key resume to continue talking after placing on hold. If you want to call another person after placing the first person on hold, dial the desired number or press the contact icon or button to select someone. To return to the held call, scroll to the top of the screen and tap the call that is on hold. How to transfer a call. To transfer a call, press the transfer soft key or the transfer button. Insert or select a contact or tap the keypad icon to use the hard keys to dial a number, and then press the soft key transfer icon. Select transfer now to send the call immediately, or consult first to speak with the recipient before completing the transfer. How to forward calls. To automatically forward calls from the home screen, tap your profile image or initials. Tap Setting, then Calling. Toggle on Call Forwarding and select Forward to either email, contact, or a phone number. To deactivate call forwarding, toggle call forwarding off. How to make a conference call. To make a conference call, call the first participant. Then, while on call, select the small icon portraying two people at the very top right of the screen. Tap to add people. Select a contact or dial a number and then press the check mark in the upper right hand corner to connect the person to the call. Repeat as many times as needed. How to access settings. To access settings and to modify options and notification, press the menu button to access the device settings. To access the app settings on the home screen, tap your initials or profile image and tap Settings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful in understanding the basic features of the C455HD phone. For more information, and help, visit our website at www.fedasa.edu/team-phone.